Good morning students. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about additions. Today we are going to learn about additions. What is meant by addition? What is meant by addition? Addition is a process. Addition is a process whereby we put objects together. It is called addition. Okay children, see, look at here. These are what pens? These are red pens. Okay, how many red pens are there here? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are how many red pens are there? Yes, 4 red pens are there. Okay, next, these are what color pens? These are what color pens? Yes, these are green color pens. These are what color pens? These are green color pens. How many green color pens are there with me? 1, 2. 2 green color pens are there with me. Okay, now I am keeping all these here. Now, how many pens are there in my hand? Now, how many pens are there in my hand? Shall we count now? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pens are there in my hand? Total 6 pens. This is called addition. We put objects together, we will get addition. First we have 4 red color pens and 2 green color pens. When we put all these together, we will get total how many pens? 6 pens. This is called addition. Okay children? Okay. Next. Now see, in my hand, how many pens are there now? These are also red only. How many pens are there in my hand now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pens are there. What color pens these are? These are red color pens. 7 red pens are there in my hand. Now I am taking some more pens. Here if you observe, these are what color pens? Orange color and pink color pens. Okay. Now how many is there in my hand? These orange and red color. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pens are there? This one? 4 is there. Now I am keeping all these together here. Now how many pens are there in my hand? Shall we count now? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many pens are there? 11 pens are there in my hand now. What we also did here? We also did addition. We did what we did here? Addition we did, ma'am. Okay? That is called addition. See, first I take how many red pens? First I take 4 red pens. And second, how many pens I take? 2 green color pens. That time how many total is there in my hand? Total 6 pens are there. Next, same way, how many red pens I take? 7 red pens. Next, what color pens are there in my hand? Orange and green. How many is there? 4. While I am writing these two all, how many we get? 11 pens. Okay, 11 pens. What we did here? Addition. What is the symbol for addition? Addition symbol. What is the symbol for addition? Addition symbol is what it is? Plus. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. That means we did add. We add these two. That's why we get. This is symbol for addition. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. The symbol for addition is plus. Understand, children? Okay. Now in this, shall we do one more example? Suppose I take 25 notebooks. I take 25 notebooks and 16 textbooks. I take 25 notebooks and 16 textbooks. Okay. Now total how many books are there with me? What are these 25? These 25 are notebooks. These are notebooks. And these 16 are what? Textbooks. These 16 are what? Textbooks. Okay. Total how many books are there? Total how many books are there? Total means what we have to do, ma? Total means what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Addition. Okay, shall we add now? While we are adding 10, if you observe, this is 25. This is 1's place and this is 10's place. This is also 16. It is in 1's place, it is in 10's place. Okay. 1's place and 10's place. What we have to do? Addition. While we are doing addition, from which side to we have to start, ma? We have to start from its 1's place too. From here to we have to start. 5, 6. 5, 6 how much? Up number 5, down number 6. Take 6 fingers, Nana. Up number what here? 5. 5 after start counting. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much we get? 11. Okay. Shall we write 11 here? No. In this 11, we are getting 11. In this one is in 1's place. Another one is in 10's place. The number which is in 10's place, suppose we are writing here. The number one is in 1's place, another one is in 10's place. The number which is in 10's place, that one we shall write the up of the 10's place. Okay, here 1 we have to write and another this 1's place 1 here. Again add this one, 2 plus 1, 3. Up we write 1 number, 4. Total how many textbooks are there with me? Total how many books are there with me? 41 books are there. Okay, here if you observe, we are using to add these two numbers. The numbers which we are used to add, are called addends. These are called addends. Addends. What we call these two numbers? Addends. The numbers which we use to add are called addends. Addends means the numbers which we use to add, are called the numbers which we use to add are called addends. Are called addends. Next, the answer we get after the addition, adding the numbers. The answer we get after adding the numbers is called sum. It is sum. How we will get this one? The answer we get after adding the numbers. The answer we get after adding the numbers. The answer we get after adding the numbers. After adding the numbers is called sum. Okay, children. The numbers which we use to add are called addends. The answer we get after adding the numbers is called sum. Okay, here while we are doing addition, see what terms we are using to do the addition. What are the terms are there? See, in all, together, total, sum. In all, together, total, sum. All these means these terms are used to what? These terms are used in addition. These terms are used in addition. What are the terms we are used in addition? In all, together, total, sum. In all, together, total, sum. What are the meaning of these terms? These terms are used to do addition. These terms are used to do addition. Understand, children? What is addition? Addition is a process whereby we put objects together. It is called addition. Okay, in the addition, the numbers which we use to add are called addends. The answer we get after adding the numbers is called sum. Here we are using some terms. What are the terms are used to do addition? In all, together, total, sum. In this word, any word is there. What we have to do, ma? We have to do the addition. Understand, children? Then shall we do some problems on addition? First one is add 343 and 421. 343 and 421. Here see, if you observe here, it is started from which place to 343. That means it is started from hundreds place to number. So we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds. Up to hundreds, right enough. Why? It is started from hundreds place to know. So ones, tens, hundreds place enough. Now the first number 343. So hundreds place 3, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. Okay. Next one here also 421. So this number is also start from which place to hundreds place to. So we have to write from 4 to 1. Now we have to do the addition. Now first number 3, down number 4. Down number what here 1. Down number how many is there? 1 is there. Take one finger. 3 after 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Next here 4 2. Here down number 2. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. Right here 6. Next take 2 numbers. Say 3 4. Here first take down number figure 4. Take 4. Up number 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Next one. Second one. Add 489 and 567. 489 and 567. If you observe here, this first number is started from which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 489. So we have to write from up to 100 places. Ones to 100. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First number 489. So 489. Second number it is also, what is the place value here? Ones, tens, hundreds. So it is also started from hundreds place too. So we have to write 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Now add these two. If you observe, it is started from hundreds place 2. It is started from hundreds place 2. So we have to start from writing the number from hundreds place 2. Okay. Now 9 plus 7. First take down number fingers, 7 fingers. Down number take 7. Take 7 fingers. Up number 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in that 16, 6 is in ones place. 1 we have to write in the tens place. 16. Next one. 8, 6, 1. But the middle number is 6. Take 6 fingers first. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That 14 you have to keep in your mind. Why we have to keep it in your mind? One more number is here. 1. 14 after 1, 15. Here 1, 5, 15. Okay, next one here it is 4. 4, 5, 1. Here middle number is 5. Take 5 fingers. Up number is 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here one more number is there. 1, 9 after 10. Okay. Here also write the place values. Hundreds. Next second, third one. Next one. Add 3,489 and 4,263. Here also write the place values, ma. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. It is started from thousands place too. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. It is also started from thousands place too. Then we have to write the place values up to thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, it is started from thousands plus 2, no? Right. 3,489. This number also started from thousands plus 2. Right. 4,263. Now add this one. What is the symbol for addition, ma? Yes, the symbol for addition is plus. We have to add. Now, first take 9 and 3. First take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. So 1 here, 2 here. Next here up number 8, down number 6. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 we add means 14 plus 1, 15. Here it is 15. Next here 4. 4 after take 2 fingers. Down number 2, take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. Again one more number is there. 6 plus 1, 7. Next here 3, 4 is there. Down number 4, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,752. Next one more problem. Add 248, 3,496 and 79. 79. Here also first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Starting number is starting from which place to write? Enough. Ones, tens, hundred. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here it is ones, tens. Ones and tens. Now write the place values up to what is the highest place value? Thousand. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first number is starting from hundreds place to. So we have to start writing hundreds place. 248. Second number is starting from thousands place to 3,000. So we have to start from 3,000. Thousands place to 3,496. Next number 79. It is starting from tens place to. So we have to start writing tens place to 79. Now add this one. Addition symbol plus. First middle number, take the fingers. What is the middle number here? 6. Take 6 fingers. Up number 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That 14 we get 14. 14 keep it in your mind. What is the next number here? 9. Take 9 fingers. Before you keep in your mind what number? Yes. What number I keep in your mind? Yes. I keep in my mind 14. So 14 after we have to count. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So in that, here we have to write 2, here we have to write 3. Okay, next one. Here also 4 after here what number is given? 9. So take 9 finger. Here up number 4. 4 after count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much we get? 13. That 13 we have to keep in our mind. What is the next number? 7. Take 7 fingers. What number we keep in our mind? Yes. We kept in our mind 13. So 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We get how much, Nana? 20. Enough? Completed is it? No. Here one more number is there. That is 2. Before how much we get? Yes, how much we get? Yes, 20 we get. 20 after 2, 21, 22. So here also here 2. And here 2. Next here see. Next 2, 4, 2. Here next middle number 4. Take 4 fingers. Up number 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. How much we get? 6. Here still 2 is there. 6 after 7, 8. Here only one number is there. That is as it is. We have to write. Add 2489, 4561 and 3572. Okay, here this one. Same first what we have to do? We have to write the place wise. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first digit is in which place? Write enough mark. There too we have to start. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we have to write the places values up to thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So thousands place too we have to start. So 2489. Next 4561. Next 3572. Now we have to do the addition. Symbol plus. Same here middle number take finger. 1. Take 1 finger, 9 after 1. 9 plus 1 easily you know. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 when we add to 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Yes, here 1, here 2. Next, 8 plus 6. Okay, now 8 plus 6 how much? Take 6 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 14 keep it in your mind. Next number 7. Take 7 fingers, 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 1? Yes, 22. 21 plus 1, 22. Next, 4. Next number 5. Take 5 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again take 5 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 after again take 2 fingers, 15, 16. Here 1, here 6. Next one. 2 plus 4. 4 is here. 2 plus 4 easily you know. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, when we add 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay children, understand everybody?